Welcome to the O'Connor Elder Law Channel. I'm your host, Melissa O'Connor. I'm a Florida-based elder law attorney who does estate planning, focusing on long-term care needs, commonly referred to as Medicaid planning, and I do probate, and I do it well. Today I wanted to talk to you about applying for Medicaid to cover your home health nursing care. But before I do, I want to take this opportunity to invite you to schedule a free strategy session with me at eldermeeting.com. Okay, so if you are a person or you have a loved one who needs in-home nursing care because it's no longer safe for them to be able to stay home alone and care for themselves, they need extra assistance, and if you looked into the cost of that care, it can be very expensive to have home health nurses come into your home to help supplement the care for you or for your loved one. And that's where Medicaid comes in, because Medicaid does cover home-based health care as part of a long-term care strategy. And to do that, you would need to be able to apply for Medicaid to get this type of coverage. Now, one thing that I have to always explain to families is Medicaid does not cover 24 hours in-home health care nursing services. So if your loved one needs 24-hour care, round-the-clock care, at that juncture, Medicaid would take the position that they would be better off in an institutional type setting, whether it's an assisted living facility or a skilled nursing care facility, just for the ease of care. But we do encourage people to stay in community and to stay in their homes, because most people thrive best aging in place, and that is the desire, is for them to age in place in their own home. And so Medicaid does provide coverage for in-home nursing care. Typically, coverage would be around 14 to 24 hours care a week, up to 40 hours care a week, if you really, depending on your medical needs. So there's a gamut as to what type of level of care Medicaid would provide. There's a screening that you would go through and see what number of hours Medicaid would provide. And so once you're approved for that, essentially you would pick your provider, your Medicaid provider, just similar to buying your insurance policy. You pick like which type of coverage on Medicaid you want, whether you want the Humana plan or the Sunshine plan or whatever carriers are out at the time. And then through that plan, then your nursing staff would be assigned to you, and Medicaid would pay for the hours provided. There is an option for participant-directed pay, where Medicaid would pay the family directly for if it's going to be a relative caregiver or somebody else that you pick that you're comfortable with. They would need to just be able to lawfully work in this country. However, the pay is very low. I think it's something like $10 to $11 an hour. So that most of the time that is not a feasible option for most of my clients, but it is out there for you if that is something that you are interested in. So if you want to learn more about qualifying for Medicaid to be able to get home health care nurse in your home, feel free to reach out to me. We can schedule a strategy session at eldermeeting.com. And if this information has been helpful to you, I ask that you like and share with others. Thank you for joining me.